So hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Expert. So now I will start my video. This is not my channel, this is my one account. I'm just giving for you a demo just for practice. So today's our topic is why cannot we sign in the safest browsers. So first I will show how this problem comes. First, when I'm going to add an account or log into an account, then this account is suffered. If you do in a computer or a laptop, then this problem will not come. But if you do in desktop site in a web browser or in a mobile phone, if you do in desktop site, then these problems will come. So I will show you how to do in a phone. So when I'm going to add account, first I will enter my email. For privacy I will hide it. And after entering my email, I see that couldn't sign you in. When I'm tapping learn, it is showing that browser or app may not be secure. When I'm tapping learn more, I saw that to help protect your account you will definitely okay, but use a supported browser. See, currently I am using the Chrome, but then also if this is coming, then you have to do with another browser. So I will help you. This about which browser I am talking, this doesn't refers to these browsers. It is another browser. So first you have to open the Play Store. Then open the search Samsung and get the Samsung internet browser. After installing the Samsung internet browser, you have to open it, and here goes. Continue. Not now. Now search first. First you have to search that thing, that is youtube.com. youtube.com. Then search. After that it will come. So first so then when I'm going to wait the desktop version, so here I'm going. So now when I'm going to sign in, so at first I will enter my account. So for privacy I will hide my account, so please don't see it. Okay, then so after entering my account I tap next. So now I will give my password. Now I will tap next. So what I have to do, so yes, so see this occurred. This is my channel. Okay, now see it has been signed in. So you can only use Samsung internet browser. So if you use Samsung internet browser, then you can sign into any account without any privacy. So you can use this browser to fix this issue. But to fix this issue, and here you cannot get any problems like couldn't sign in you. So always use Samsung internet browser to log in. If you don't want to get any problems, you can use other browsers in computer to ignore this message. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Hope you all like it and subscribe my channel.